You know, Insta360 has done an amazing job on listening to its customers and content creators. They're constantly updating things and making stuff that we request, such as these are the lenses for the Insta Go Ultra. Now, one of the really good things about this particular lens set right here is you do not actually have to remove the original lens that is on the Go Ultra. These are slip fit. They slip right on over the existing lens. They've also released an update that allows you to switch back and forth between the lenses. So these are the lenses. And my first suggestion to you, should you decide you want to get a set of these, they run about $39-40. Go through, find the lenses when you pull them out, write down on the outside with a Sharpie. I used a white Sharpie what the lens is. This way you do not actually have to pull out multiple lenses to find the correct one. So this one here is the 15-inch lens. As you can see, this is going to allow you to get within 15 inches of your subject and still be within focus. The next lens that I want to talk about is the macro lens. As you can see, that's that little bubbly one right there. This allows you to get within 2 inches of your subject, allowing your subject to be in focus. Now, let's go ahead and actually look at it on the camera and kind of shoot a little bit with each of the lenses and let you see how they work. Now, for the very first lens we are going to use the macro lens. And as you can see, it simply just slips on. It's like a friction fit. It does not come off. And that's the lens you are going to be using. Now, before you can actually use the lens, you do need to go into your settings. You're going to swipe down. You're going to go over to your lens accessories from lenses right here. Go into the bottom one that says Lens Master. You click it, and then you're going to be able to scroll side to side and figure out which lens you're using. We are using the micro lens, and we want the 5 centimeter, which is 2 inches. Now that we have that selected, all you have to do is hit yes, and you're good to go. Boom. Now, once you actually do that, you don't actually have to open up the settings again, because you're going to see right up here in this top corner, there is a little icon for the Lens Master. It's right up there. Looks like a little lens. And you hit that, so that way you can actually change real quick between the lenses if you are shooting. So for right now, I am actually going to be zooming in on this little solid cologne here on my desk, so you can see what that video looks like. All right, so that's it right there. As you can see, it is washed out. It is blurry. Then we get right up here on it. We're about 2 inches away. As you can see, it looks really good. Now, with other action cameras, you are not going to get that close to something and still have it in focus. And again, as you're doing that, the background gets blurred. So if I wanted this right here, I can still show it to you, and the background is going to be blurred out. So the next lens we are going to be using to kind of focus in is going to be the 8.5 inches, or let me see, 8.5, or what is it in centimeters? 21.5 centimeters. So we've got the other lens pulled off. Simply put it on. It's there. We go over to the Lens Master, and we're going to go standard 21.5 centimeter. Connect. We're good. And now I'm going to show you what that is going to look like. I'm going to have it facing me. And this is the setup we're going to be using. Okay, so as you can see right now, we are using the 8.5 millimeter, or the 8.5 inches, and I am perfectly in focus. I am about 8 inches away from the camera itself. Still looks good. Background is blurred. everything is awesome. This is the way that you can use a small action camera like this with these mountable lenses that just slip on and off to get more of a up close walk and talk vlog style. You can use it for all kinds of things. Showing yourself pouring a cup of coffee, eating, showing food, doing different product videos and stuff. So next one I want to do is the 15. This is going to bring me a little bit further away from the camera, still keep my background slightly out of focus, but concentrating on me. As you can see right now, we are perfectly in focus. I'm about 15 inches to 18 inches away from the camera. I still look good. Background is still slightly blurred. This is the 38 centimeter or 15 inches. This, in my opinion, is perfect for walk and talk vlogs. You can hold the camera at a comfortable position away from you. You don't have to have it 2.5, 3 feet away in order to remain focused. So this is a way for you to use these different lenses right here and actually get really interesting content, really good perspectives, different types of views, different close-ups, stuff like that. Say, for instance, you are a food vlogger and you want to get a really good close-up of the food that you are about to consume and tell your audience about. Use the close-up lens. Get that camera right down there over the food so people can see the juiciness of it. They can see the textures that are involved. So many options. You've got everywhere from 2 inches to 4.6 inches, 8.5, and a 15-inch lens. Insta360 did an amazing job doing it this way versus having to unscrew the original lens that is on the Go Ultra and screw another one in. This is quick to change off and on. There is one problem that I have found with the Insta360 on this, and maybe they'll fix this with an update, is that once you go into the lens portion of it to actually select your lens, you're fine. But if you put it back on standard lens, you have to actually go back into the settings again if you want to use this. I would like to see Insta360 put that as a permanent icon at the top since we now have the lenses available. So there you go, guys. A nice little short video showing you how to use the different lenses on the Go Ultras. I love them. These are going to be used quite often. So if you like the content, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think about the different lenses if you've actually picked them up. I'll do a little bit more of a lengthy video on this outside. I'm not going out there right now because it's a little bit cold. So I want all of you to have an amazing day.